Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I've missed you guys so much. I know I haven't been able to put a lot of content out there with the coronavirus going on. Figured we'd take a moment to take a look at some of the stuff you probably missed while I lived in Japan. One of my absolute favorite days was I was filming a Cars for Phil video, drove by, saw an abandoned R32 GTR down the side of the road. So I stopped, started filming, checked it out, saw a Celica next to it, and this older Japanese gentleman came out and opened his garage, showed me the cool stuff inside along with his Datsun Sunny with a Acoustica GTR front end conversion. Absolutely awesome. Just sitting somewhere off the side of the road. Man, I love Japan. Such a cool place. Check out this Mazda Savannah. This thing is awesome. Oh, wow. Gorgeous. As I was walking by, he opened up the garage. Oh, that's so cool. That is really, it's really rare to see one in such good shape. Check out the wheels. That is sick. Really awesome. And then he opens up his other garage, and there's a Toyota Mark II. This is sick. Check out the wheels. This is really awesome. Never know what you're gonna find in Japan. What a bunch of cool finds. Interior looks to be perfect condition. Ooh. Did I get some? Wow, that is so cool. That is awesome. That's so cool. Thank you very much. Check out the Sunny. Oh wow. So the Sunny has a GTR front end conversion, aftermarket hood. This thing is insane. Absolutely wild car. Or wild truck, I guess. Look at that. GTR taillights. Got representing the badge. The interior is super clean. Nardi steering wheel. Looks like I can't see if you can. Custom bucket seats. Really awesome. Really awesome stuff. You can't forget the day at UpGarage when I was hanging out waiting for Kaylin to get there with this super clean Mark IV Supra, and then happened to spot a A86 in the parking lot along with two Civics, one with a carbon fiber roof. This thing is nasty. You gotta check it out. As I was pulling in, this 11 decided to pull in right next to me. Really awesome. Love these cars. Some old guy just driving around with bride racing seats in there. This thing is sick. I love Japan. Some other really cool stuff parked over here. Don't mind my car for being all dirty. Check out this EK hatch. Got some Volks on it, but look at this EG. This thing is beautiful. Got the work equips. Oh, gorgeous. Paint's in like immaculate condition. Wait till you see the top. The whole top is actual carbon fiber. That is so crazy. Beautiful car. Red Recaro's in there. Woof. I absolutely love this EG hatch. So I was just informed by the owner that this is not a carbon fiber overlay. They actually cut the metal out and replaced it with full carbon fiber. So it's it's the first Civic EG hatch with a carbon fiber roof. That is crazy. Special surprise, had a buddy meet us in his beautiful Mark IV Supra. Check this thing out. Oh, thing sounds so good. love Supras. Woo! one of the best things about living in Japan has got to be the absolutely unexpected beauties you find. One day, Jason from Cap 26 came over. We were just driving around, weren't really expecting to find much, but we found a abandoned 180SX Type X. Absolutely broke my heart. Beautiful car, but it was rotting away. If you haven't seen this video, you really gotta see it. I'll put all the links in the description below. It's heartbreaking. Look who's trying to steal all my content now. So check it out, guys. If you guys know me, this is one of my all-time favorite cars. This is an OEM 180SX Type X. Absolutely beautiful until you get close. So this car's been sitting here for a long time. I mean, look at the rust. That breaks my heart. Cobwebs on the wipers, rust everywhere. I mean, this hood's trashed. Fender's on its way out. Doors are on its way out. I mean, this is heartbreaking. The roof, the rust around the window sprayer. I just love the 180SX side skirts. And that front bumper, it's one of my favorite. If I had a 180 and it wasn't a Type X, I would definitely put this kit on it. Paint it beautiful midnight purple or a dark purple. Got to get the kooky tails. Spencer, this is what you should be doing. Look at this. Stay out of my exhaust unless you're trash. Then hop on in. But this car, God, there's so much rust. And it's been sitting here forever. It's got a nice sub in the background. I just got mentioned on Jason's Instagram story. He's got a notification. Tires are like brand new. It's crazy. I don't even know if the rotors will turn anymore. There's so much rust. It's probably all seized. The door. This is heartbreaking. So when I had my 240 back in the States, I ordered a pair of 180SX quarter glasses. One of them got broken in shipping. UPS replaced it. And the other one got broken by the window installer. So I never actually got them installed. I was really upset. Spencer, if you're watching, man, this is the front bumper you need to get. And I happen to know where a car's sitting that probably doesn't use it. So, like we noticed, there's no JCI. There's no road tax sticker, so who knows how long this car's been sitting here. Beautiful car. And it's a shame. Makes me sick to my stomach. I don't know if you guys remember this, though. Me and Jason from Cap 26 and Spencer from Carbro, we all met in Nagoya because Spencer lived up there at the time. We crashed at Spencer's house for a couple days, did all kinds of cool stuff, found some really cool car stuff. One of my favorite memories from that day was them picking me up in the Catfish Supra, and then we saw a cool skyline on the way home, and then we finally got to UpGarage. It was just a blast. I had more fun than I expected to, and I wish I could redo that, but Spencer is still living in the States, and just so you know, me and Jason are going back to mainland Japan, Spencer, so we expect to see you there, and I know all your viewers and my viewers and his viewers expect to see you there. So if you're watching this still, write down in the comments, let Spencer know that you need him to show up. It's really important because we have a blast hanging out together. I want you guys to be able to come along for the ride. All right, so I made it to Nagoya. These guys were waiting to pick me up. Jason lost the bet, so he had to carry my bags. So. The only way to depart from the airport in Japan is in a Mark IV Supra.
Mark IV Catfish.
The Catfish.
It's a rental car for the weekend.
Is it?
Not a bad rental car.
Oh, not a bad rental at all. So check this out. I got an R35 GTR. Just parking this thing out in the weather. Oh, they are beautiful. It's a gorgeous car.
Supra?
Is that a Supra? Oh man, you gonna be all right in the back?
We're gonna like rock, paper, scissors for this.
I've never sat 3 deep in a Mark IV, so.
About to get weird.
It is, man.
About to get weird.
Ah, Jesus.
That is all you get.
Got the cockpit set up.
Look at that
Pretty
whack-ass
sweet.
steering wheel.
Yeah.
Momo, Italy.
Italy, why is it?
It came off a Ferrari.
Isn't this a Japanese car?
It's from a Ferrari, bro.
All right, so we just saw an R30 Skyline take off, or we heard it take off. We're trying to catch it. Speed camera. Slow down.
And go.
This thing better be freaking sick.
Fucking rust bucket.
It's all like, yeah, like rusting out and stuff.
He sees the super in his rear view.
Yeah.
Like, not bad.
I really like these old school Skylines.
That thing's sweet.
That is. Give him a thumbs up. Oh, he's not looking. Me and Jason are over here staring at this Bayside Blue R33.
I'm literally mouth breathing over here right now.
What do you think, man? Paint the van this color?
Bruh. I don't know if the video is going to do it justice. I mean, this thing is just absolutely beautiful.
I like the LED tails too.
And the red Brembos on it.
Yeah. Super, super clean. Inky wheels. Got the side skirt extensions like the 34s have. Really nice car. I love this thing. Can't see the interior. All right, let's see what else they got. R34 GTT, set up for about 20,000 US dollars. And a white GTT, for about 23.5 or so. With the Evo 4. I love these Evos, man. I'm sure if y'all have been watching, you guys know this. Really like these things. I like the R34 in black though. The R34 wheels. Nice front mount. For about 25,000, 24.5, somewhere in there. I mean, isn't that a beautiful picture? Even though they're GTTs, they're not GTRs, they still are gorgeous. One of my favorite car. I almost forgot about this spec car. It's not a wide body, has a little bit more factory look to it. Really well done. Headlights look super clean. Got a silver R33 GTR. Gold BBSs. Now if Austin's watching, he's got a midnight purple one with the same wheels. You think this would look better on the midnight purple or the silver? Let me know in the comments. Then we have Jason's old car. KN0. It's like a gray color. Really rare color, but it's really nice. Beautiful car. Check out this wide body S15 with the Works archives. Super clean car, man. Crazy fenders. For about 14,000. It's not a bad price. Love S15. That wide body looks really nice on it too. Overshadowing this Bayside Blue R34 GTT. They want about 22.5 or so. Really nice looking car. I like that front bumper on it. Pretty sweet, man. But that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know there's not a lot of content for me to put out. I do have some updates coming. Appreciate you watching. Like, comment as always. I'll see you next time.